Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious cream of mushroom soup. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. This includes 1 pound of fresh cremini mushrooms, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You'll also need 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, 1 cup of whole milk, and seasonings like salt and black pepper. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those mushrooms perfectly cooked. Begin by slicing your 1 pound of mushrooms thinly. This helps them cook evenly. In a large pot or Dutch oven, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add the sliced mushrooms and cook them down. Stir occasionally until they release their moisture, and then continue cooking until they are beautifully golden brown and tender. This step is crucial for developing deep, earthy flavors. With the mushrooms cooked, it's time to build our creamy base. Add the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter to the pot, letting it melt. Then, sprinkle in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Stir constantly for about 1 minute to cook out the raw flour taste, creating a roux. Slowly whisk in the 2 cups of broth, ensuring no lumps form. Finally, gradually add the 1 cup of whole milk, stirring until the mixture is smooth and slightly thickened. Almost there, bring your soup to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, stirring frequently for about 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the soup to thicken further and all the flavors to meld beautifully. Taste and season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Serve your rich, homemade cream of mushroom soup warm. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.